Still ain't trying to find a motion.
What?
You're still in correct.
Oh, no.
Go in front of that lady, please, ma'am.
I think she's already been
I
through.
thought her rent.
It's almost a revoke right here.
What's y'all's final answer on that? 22-40590 is called the State of Texas versus Elena Irvin. You, Miss Irvin,
Yes, sir.
are present with Mr. Dusler, your attorney, and the state's attorney is going to be showing up here, who is, I think it's going to be a no name.
Sure.
We don't have any state's attorneys named on these things today.
It's a new and improved
They're
system,
anonymous.
Judge.
They're anonymous people.
They don't.
I thought this was this afternoon. That's not yours.
No, I'm gonna mix it up.
All right, does the defendant waive a formal reading of this motion to revoke probation, which was filed on October 4th of last year? Can we proceed in such?
Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand, ma'am. Do you solemnly swear or affirm any statement you make today will during this hearing will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
That's all your name. In summary, this motion states that on January 23rd, 2023, you were sentenced to 2 years in the state jail. That was suspended. You were placed on regular probation for 5 years for the state jail felony of fraudulent use or possession of identifying information. Is all of that true and correct?
Yes, sir.
Number one, violation states that you committed the offense of theft, class B misdemeanor on or about May 19th, 2023 in Bell County, Texas. Is that true or untrue?
Oh, perfect.
Since this isn't agreed, Judge, I don't know if you need to go farther.
Number two states you committed the offense. I look at the substance.
Is there one in Dallas County?
That's the second one.
Yeah.
Okay, she's currently, she was convicted and is serving TDC time on that one in Dallas County.
Number two alleges you committed the offense of accident involving injury or death on or about June 20th, 2023 in Dallas County, Texas. Is that true or untrue?
It's true.
Are you pleading true to allegations 1 and 2 of this motion to revoke probation voluntarily, knowingly, intelligently, and because those allegations are true as they are alleged?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand that a knowing and voluntary plea of true to one or more violations of probation are enough to grant a motion to revoke probation by a preponderance of the evidence or greater? Your probation can be revoked and you can be sentenced to 2 years in the state jail. Knowing that, do you insist on pleading true today?
Yes, sir.
I find you were pleading true voluntarily. And you understand and appreciate the consequences of pleading true.
And it's an agreement for 1 year, Judge.
What happened in what happened in this Class B theft in Bell County? What was the disposition?
Still
Still
pending.
pending.
She's
What
going
about-
to leave from here to go to.
What about the Dallas County case?
She's serving TDC time on that.
How much?
7 years. She was
Is that right?
Yes, sir.
She was bench awarded, but down here for TDC. Take care of this case.
Right. There is nothing much.
Why did it take so long to get from June 20th of 2023 to here, a year and a half later?
I'm assuming,
Were you in jail?
yeah,
Up
Yes.
there waiting for a
Yes,
trial?
sir. I waited 10 months for go to court.
What happened in that case? Was somebody killed?
My son's father died.
But you were the driver.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I see an agreement here that you would be revoked and sentenced to 1 year in the state jail. Is that your understanding of the agreement?
Yes, sir.
I just want, so you're placed on my probation. Okay, where I'm the supervising official over you. And in a matter of a few months, you commit a theft and someone is killed,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
You see anything wrong with that?
There's a lot wrong with it.
Was she an absconder too? It says federal report as of April and May of 2023 to the Travis County probation and federal report to us since February.
That's
She was an absconder when all this happened?
I was in Dallas County Jail. Oh,
When?
I've been in Dallas County Jail since, I think it was,
Look, you weren't in the Dallas County Jail when you killed somebody in a car wreck in June, were you?
no,
Okay, you couldn't have been driving much in a jail cell, right? All right, and then committing the theft in May in Bell County, you weren't doing that while you were in the jail cell, were you?
no, changed it.
Okay, so you were out.
Sorry.
Okay, this. Don't insult our intelligence. Okay. I don't like it. I don't like it. Well, just say you can sigh, but we'll just have it.
I'm not
and
sighing,
it's not a big
Judge.
deal. This is the kind of thing where you can't roll all of this into one. I mean, this is the kind of thing that is terrible. I mean, this doesn't normally happen. You're on a probation and then you're going to get 1 year, which is you kill somebody and you're stealing in just a few months after being placed on probation, correct? Yeah. And then we're going to just roll this around as a concurrent thing. I mean, every crime here should have its own separate price that she should pay, not as a, we're going to just wrap this all and put it together as a conglomerate together. No, I intend to run this consecutively. When we have a hearing, if that's what y'all want, but this is terrible. This is atrocious. I mean, to me, it just does not. The price of a human life is just not being paid here in a responsible way. You just can't roll this into one big deal. But I mean, how many bad things can you do on my watch when this happened? You weren't even reported anymore. You were off. You were on your own. And it only took a couple of months before you were on your own and you just made a royal mess after you had made a mess here in Jefferson County. So no, it's going to pay, it's going to have its own responsible. If it's going to have its own price tag. So that's what I'm not taking, we'll just set it for a hearing, okay?
I'll make time to secure the judgments because
I
I'm
understand.
gonna bring
Take your
the,
time. Yeah, but this is going to be I just don't think that is a fair way.
would you like an updated
It
post
just
sentence?
seems that human life doesn't have a price.
Would-
That's with you, that is worthy, nor the rules. I mean, you made a mess here on my rules in just a couple of months and then you're stealing. And then you're acting responsible in a motor vehicle where somebody is killed. And then you're not even reporting. So we're not going to make a package deal of selling this at 5 cents on the dollar. So I don't take it. We're going to have a hearing on it. Okay. Thank you.